Hello, today I am going to show you how to use power rule of derivatives to find the derivative of a function. Let's get started with the power rule definition of a function. For y equals f of x, power rule for a derivative is f prime of x, which is the derivative notation d dx of f of x, and use a function in general which is x to the n. The power rule is bring the power down, which is n, subtract 1 from the given power, so this is n x to the power n minus 1. Okay, so using that rule, let's try to find the derivative of a function. Say f of t is the function which is 2t square plus square root of a t cube function. Okay, so very first thing we need to do is this. Let's rewrite this cubic function of square root. Remove it from this square root. 2 square 2t square plus t to the power 3 by 2 when you remove the radical. Now this is the function and we are going to use power rule of derivative. So let's say put the notation first, which is f prime of t. We will say d over dt of this first function, which is this one, plus d over dt of t to the power 3 by 2, which is the second function. Now use power rule of derivative on each. So bring the power on this side, which is a 2. Write down the function 2t to the square, but subtract 1 from the given power. So that is the power rule for this one. Now go to the second one, bring the power down, which is 3 over 2, t to the power 3 over 2 minus 1. Now collect all this, is 4t plus 3 over 2 t to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 would be 3 minus 2, which is going to be 1, and the power is 1/2. So that's pretty much the final answer. We can just go back and do the radical there. So this can be 4t plus 3 over 2 square root of t, and that can be considered as one final answer.